Easily one of my favorite parts of this entire weekend is watching the confidence grow every single day and seeing people tackle things that they had no idea they could do.
Envisioned like what I want to do for the Air Forces that were provided in this class, do some kind of gradient, multicolored on the shoe using the airbrush. And I'm here actually to learn how to airbrush. I've never airbrushed before, so I'm excited to learn.
Well, I'm very excited to take the class, but after meeting my classmates, I'm a little intimidated seeing that their work and how they're on a professional level. I'm very beginner, very novice. My takeaways, I'm hoping, is how to execute the airbrush machine, how to keep it clean.
Has a lot of that dark blue paint. Clean that off.
How to, whatever concepts I have in my head, how I'm able to execute them with different colors, blending colors. So I'm excited about that, and I'm also excited to be part of Meet Dillon. I've been watching him and seeing him on his YouTubes, and to see him in flesh and to get a good learning experience, I'm excited about that.
I'm very excited because it's the first real shoe I'm going to prepare. I am kind of like someone who works a lot with pencils and paint, but this is really new to me. The reason why I'm doing this is actually not for myself, but for my son. He has a vascular disease, which forces him to sometimes wear different shoes than he wants. And it would be so great if I can customize his own cool pair of shoes, maybe with Paw Patrol or Spider-Man on it one day. So very excited to learn a lot.
I just started some preliminary drawings last night. I'm gonna go with a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme. What I really want to do is try and get each of the main turtles on each of the sides of the shoe.
What do you have anywhere? I was laying in bed, like, what do I want to be when I grow up? A friend of mine had been posting different things the last couple years about doing shoes, and I'm that person is like, you know what? If he can do it, I know I can do it.
After doing a few of these now, a big goal that we have is trying to make sure that everybody leaves with a completed shoe. You're going to be able to learn so much more by completing a simpler shoe than biting off more than you could chew. Day 2, this is the furthest we've ever been 2 days in, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all the final products tomorrow.
But I'm not an artist. So when you say you're an artist, I'm incredibly jealous of that skill you have. I can copy, but I can't create.
The fact being with other artists for 3 days and seeing that we are all in the same situation of whenever you make mistakes, it's possible to do something out of it, and you don't have to stop working or wipe everything out. You can overcome the mistake and do something even better. And the idea was to have something really simple, but that will really change from shadow to light. So we've got that pair, it's really contrasting, it's nice, but when it's in the sun, it's a whole new pair and it's still very nice. So yeah, I'm very happy about it.
So, like I originally said, my son plays football for Howard University. So this is the mascot, their logo, the bison. I have Howard Bison on the toe. And also, this is their motto. Anything that happens during the day, everything is good. One thing I took away from the course that I'm extremely proud of is learning how to do the gradient pattern. And I think, you know, from my perspective, I did a pretty good job. I would consider myself crafty, and I will try any kind of craft, you know, any kind of technique. So I think I wouldn't say artist, but I'm a crafty person. After this weekend, yeah, I'm an artist now, a cleat artist. Yes, I'm an artist.
Day 3, seeing people that have never painted shoes before and what they're able to do in just one short weekend. Amazing to see all of these pairs finally come to life.
It's been super inspiring to be in this class with other creators, and Dillon, of course, with his advice. It was on my vision board actually the beginning of this year, so to be here, it's definitely a goal that I accomplished.
That's one of our biggest goals here, of helping people continue to progress, regardless of where they're starting from, knowing that things are going to come up, mistakes are going to happen, but we'll help you figure it out and make sure that you're able to keep going.
You could come back 100 times and it'd still be worth it. You're still gonna learn new things. I've been doing it for 10 years and I can't wait to, and I hope I can come back. But if you wanna get into the nitty gritty and you wanna be a customizer by the end of this weekend, this is the place that you're gonna come.
One of our students had never done any portrait or detailed character work in the past, so we were able to help them transfer an image of the character onto the shoes, do some really detailed shading, do some incredibly crisp black outlines, and it really brought their image to life. And I know that they tackled something they had no idea they would be able to do. Yeah, it's pretty insane to know that people come from all around the world to Chicago just to experience this course and come and learn from myself and my team. It's an unreal feeling, and the connection doesn't end here. It's so cool to see the students continue to progress afterwards. I love checking in on them and seeing how everybody's able to take some of the techniques that we learned here and then put them into progress on their own journey. We look forward to seeing you at the next DCF Experience.